said that popular songs have pros and cons when you use them sa competition. Ang pro, maraming makakasabay, maraming makaka-relate. Ang con, maraming nakakaalam ng lyrics, maraming nakakaalam ng posisyon na arreglo. Anyway, now the confidence, grabe yung outpitchings. From ilan yung height mo na ngayon? 5'11" ka na yata ngayon. Grabe yung heels. Love the confidence. Alam mo, even sa first round, ang pinaka-asset mo ron, yung sense of timing mo. Ang galing. Even yung mga pitik na kamay mo sa instrumento, alam mo yung isang pitik, sabi ko, ay, pinag-aralan. I don't know. So, great job ka doon. And ang ganda ng vocal projection, which is really needed sa competition. Kailangan nalulunod project ng voice. You have that. On the other hand, may issue tayo ng konti sa diction. Laki pa naman ang puntos dito sa enunciation. So, for example, yung feel kanina, walang S, ang sinabi mo dapat may S yung feels. Yun yung call pag sikat yung song kasi maraming nakakalang ng lyrics. Fountains, dapat hindi fountain, fountain. Yan, isa yan, fountains. Yung towards mo, maraming word doon na towards, you were saying towards, dapat towards. Importante yun kasi ilang beses yung kinanta. So those are just examples, no? Pero your performance overall, I was really satisfied. Grabe yung confidence na umaapaw yung aura ko dito sa akin. So, great job. So sabihin yung ibang judges. Okay.
Hello sir, good evening. Ganahan ko ang inyong performance. The first round is good, but this is better because in this second round, I can see na mas na-express ang iyong personality. Yeah. With the song Skylight and Fly Away. I love it because you were able to express your heart to the people, and with this, you enjoyed more sa kanyang performance.
Thank you so much.